Businesses across Southeast Asia are seeking greater access to U.S. markets and fairer trade terms, but these ambitions must be balanced with the region's broader interests, says ASEAN Business Advisory Council Chairman Nazir Razak.
They're very standard kind of ask, which is, what essentially we had before in terms of access to the US markets, minimizing tariffs, and of course, reducing the demands on us.
Nazir says any new trade deals with Washington must also consider the most favored nation principle, which requires ASEAN to offer the same tariff benefits to all its partners.
We need to get the best possible deal with the US, but never forget that, there's a bigger picture that has to be managed.
However, he warned that ASEAN faces other risks, such as potential dumping of goods into the region, where excess products are sold below market value, undercutting local producers if the US market becomes less open. Beyond trade talks, Nazir highlighted Malaysia's achievements during its 2025 chairmanship, including the launch of the ASEAN Gulf Cooperation Council China Summit and preparations for the Digital Economy Framework Agreement. He also cited ABAC's success in facilitating cross-border deals, such as a Sime Darby Property YCH Group Logistics project in Malaysia and an agreement for a Malaysian company to grow Musang King durians in the Philippines.
That's basically out of our facilitation. So hopefully more of these deals happen at the Business and Investment Summit this year. And of course, as I said, I went around the world and many of those people I met are actually sending good numbers of people to the summit this year.
Nazir also mentioned longer-term projects such as the ASEAN Business Entity Framework and a regional initial public offering prospectus designed for continuity beyond Malaysia's term. He expressed confidence that new councils and committees covering private markets, artificial intelligence, philanthropy, and carbon trading would sustain ABAC's momentum under future ASEAN chairs. Natasha Bust, FMT.